The University of West Indies has 3 campuses in 3 main countries in the region, and a lot of training and research activities that is very relevant to advise governments and policymakers. UNU is very useful and instrumental in this collaboration with DOE and with the Caribbean Center for Competitiveness, and bringing here discussions about what innovation is, how to promote innovation in the small island states, and what international organizations can do, as well as governments can do to promote this.
So my first impressions of this meeting are very positive ones. This is a very articulate audience, and you get the feeling you're discussing with equals. They have the practical knowledge, they're very aware of the problems, and it's been a very enjoyable experience.
One of the things that I appreciated was that the lecturers didn't try to tell us that they had all the answers, but at the same time they didn't leave it completely up to us. Many times when you have international or foreign lecturers, you want to get all the answers, and I guess many people have become wary of providing all the answers, and so what they give you is almost nothing in the end. They just tickle your thought process. I think we got much more than that, but at the same time we didn't have a situation where we felt we were spoken down to, and I thought that was very good.